she went and picked up the kids, and drove around, went back to her house, and visited with her and Megan for quite a while, and Lily and her husband came for breakfast, but the baby couldn't wait that long, so they left. But they and then we went over to Lily's house for a little while.
Did their dad show up? Is he the old guy that's in the middle of the picture?
That's him. That's Father of the Year.
Not.
Well, he's aged a lot.
Yeah, he has aged, but he didn't talk much at the